In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase a business bank account Revolut 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to close a Revolut business account from start to finish, what to expect on each screen, and a few helpful pointers so there are no surprises along the way. First, open your Revolut app on your device. Make sure you're running the latest version and have a stable internet connection so the process is smooth. If you use both personal and business in the same app, confirm you're viewing the business workspace before proceeding, as the options we need live there. Next, log in with your account. Use your usual method, whether that's your passcode, biometric unlock, or a security prompt. Keep your device nearby in case Revolut asks for an extra verification step. That's normal and helps protect your account. Once you're in, tap your profile. This is typically the avatar or initials icon on the main screen. Your profile area is where Revolut centralizes settings for your business, including team access, company details, and the account options we're about to use. From the profile, tap Account. This takes you to the management section for your business account. Here, Revolut may show key information about your plan and account status. Now tap Close Account. This initiates the closure flow. At this point, Revolut might present a brief checklist, warnings, or ask you to confirm you understand the implications of closing. That's part of the standard process to prevent accidental closures. You'll be asked to confirm again, so tap Close Account once more. The second confirmation helps ensure you truly intend to proceed, especially if multiple users have access to the business. For the final confirmation, tap Close Account a third time. This serves as the definitive approval. In some cases, the app may flag things like pending transactions or other blockers. If that happens, the app will let you know what needs attention before it can complete the closure. Follow the on-screen guidance and continue once the app allows you to proceed. When the closure completes, tap Done. You'll be returned to the Revolut sign-in page. That's your confirmation that the business account has been closed and you've been signed out. If you plan to keep using Revolut for other profiles, you can log back in as usual. That's the entire process, end to end. Open the app, log in, go to your profile, select account, confirm close account 3 times, and finish by tapping Done to return to the sign-in screen. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the steps clear and stress-free.